Welcome to Toy Time. Please subscribe.
We have some Paw Patrol fruit snacks today, and here to help us open them is Skye, Marshall, and Chase. Yay! Our first fruit snack has Marshall on it. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this green one must be Rocky. Are they both the same? And they are. The yellow one is definitely Rubble. Two Rubbles on the double. Who is this orange one? Oh, that is definitely Zuma. The blue one, the blue one is most definitely Chase. Who is this purple one? Oh, and that's Skye. And let's look at this red one. It's Marshall. They look just alike, don't they? Go ahead and eat them. Mmm, tasty. Should we see what's inside the Skye fruit snack? Let's open it up and see. Wow! What did she get the most of? Well, let's look. We know green is for Rocky. And yellow is for Rubble. Welcome back, Skye. And this blue one is for Chase. And how many purple Skies did we get? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 Skye fruit snacks. This is the perfect fruit snack for you, Skye. Go ahead and go eat them all. Mmm. So many fruit snacks for Skye. Can you believe it? We didn't get a Zuma or a Marshall fruit snack in this one. Let's check this Chase fruit snack out. Hopefully it's a little bit better than Skye's. Oh yes, we already have a lot more colors, don't we? Last one. Oh, I think he got all the colors. There's one Skye. She's so cute. And one Marshall with his little fire hat. One Rubble. Upside down. Oh, we got 2 Rockies. I can't get these upside right. Oh, and we have 2 Zumas. And we have 2 of our police officer Chase. Now we are going to play a fun game with our fruit snacks. If we flip the box over, on this side, we can figure out which pup we are. Okay, what do your friends say? Do they say you're helpful, brave, or funny? I think my friends say I'm funny, so I will go over here. It says, time to take a break. Would you rather eat a snack or practice pup foo? I definitely like my snack, so I'm going to eat a snack. And I got Rubble. Skye wants a turn. Her friends say that she is super brave. So we go down here to brave and it says, time to go to school. Would you rather fly a plane or drive a boat? What would you rather do? If you'd rather fly a plane, you'd get Skye. And if you'd rather drive a boat, you would get Zuma. Back over here, I got Rubble, but if I would have practiced pup foo, I would have gotten Marshall. Now we're going to have Chase come. And Chase is very helpful, so he goes over here. It says, time to help the city. Would you rather solve the case or recycle and fix? Well, Chase definitely wants to solve the case. so he got himself. But if you would have rather recycled and fixed, you would have got Rocky. Let me know which pup is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Bye!